Hello friends, I'm Christopher. Today we're making this beautiful cedar window box. Hello friends. This is one of the final projects that I did in my workshop before I renovated it. So if you want to see how I completely redid my space, you can check out this video. Otherwise, enjoy one of my final projects in the old shop. This particular box is 6 feet wide. It's a variation on a design that I've made before. I've made 4 at about 4 feet, 2 at about 2.5 feet, but I've never filmed it. So I thought, here we go, this is a perfect opportunity. Some of our actual friends moved in 4 doors down from us. So we're at that point in our lives where we're not making neighbor friends, but our friends are moving in as neighbors. It's so cool. This is a housewarming gift because they had these already mounted on the outside of the house. So we thought, let's get them a window box to add some beautiful flowers. They've only been living here for a couple of months and already they've made some great improvements, including new gutters, lots of work on the inside, and so they deserve a little treat. Like so many woodworking projects, this is just a glorified box. Super easy to do. The hardest part of this is swallowing the cost of buying cedar. It's assembled entirely with fasteners and they're hidden underneath the trim, which is glued on. I've had mine for 5 years and they are in great shape. Every 2 or 3 years I go out and I apply a fresh coat to the exterior. Mwah, keeps them looking just good as new. So let's dive into the build. Now that we're coming to the end of the trim, let's talk a little bit about sizing. You can apply this to whatever length you want to make your window box. My final length is 6 feet wide, but the only boards that are 6 feet wide are the 2 long trim pieces at the end. The front, back, and bottom are 6 feet minus 1.5 inches because there's trim that goes on the outside and I'm using 3/4 stock. And actually, I shouldn't have said the bottom, because the bottom piece is less another 1.5 inches because it goes in between the outside boards. Does that make sense? So 6 foot, 5 foot 10.5, 5 foot 9. Anywho, there's my perfect 6 feet, end to end. Beautiful. And here we are. I'm so happy to finally see it. I know when they drive home today they will be surprised because I'm not telling them. Anyway, have you ever made a window box before? What do you think of this design? What might you do differently? I've had a lot of success with it, and if you're thinking of building it, I'm sure that you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy this woodworking project that turns into a lifelong gardening project. It's a little bit of everything I love. Take care, guys. Bye.